Hi, this is Craig from MobileMonkey, and today we're going to talk about drip campaigns. We're going to give you an overview, we're going to show you some use cases, and we're going to show you a live demo. So let's get going. Alright, we're going to be talking about drip campaigns. Drip campaigns are similar to email campaigns where you have a sequence of messages that will go out at certain time intervals. Now I'm going to show you how to do this in MobileMonkey. So what I've done is I've created a few drips here. This first one is called the drip first follow-up, and basically what this is a message that just says, thanks for checking out our demo. How would you like a chatbot for your business? So it's kind of like a follow-up. They've come into our bot, they've checked out our demo. Now I'm trying to get some more information from them. Based on if they say yes or no, then I send them through the flow. The next drip feed we have is drip tips. Now this is just for demo. I haven't put anything on these. So basically this would go out, this could go out on day 1, this could go out on day 2, this could go on day 3, or this could go out maybe 20 minutes later after they've engaged with your bot. This could go maybe an hour after that, and then this could be maybe a couple hours after that. So it depends on what you're trying to do, but the idea is you can set different drips for different types of responses. So once you set up your drips in your dialogues, and I recommend creating a folder by clicking the plus here, naming your drip, and then putting your dialogues inside for that drip. Once you've got that all ready to go, you can go in here to marketing automation and drip campaigns. You're going to hit new drip campaign, and you're going to say non-promotional message. Now you're going to name your drip campaign. So this one I'm going to do drip follow-up, and you're going to select an audience. So I'm going to say test audience, and I'm going to add a message. Now the way this works is once you add it, you've got a couple options here. The first is when you want this drip to go out. So this can be 1 minute, 1 hour, day, week, or month, or it can be 15 minutes. It can be whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to have this be 1 minute. And then if you click on this, it's going to ask you what dialogue you want to send. So we created a folder called drip first follow-up. So thanks was the first dialogue. So I'm going to click on that. So this is going to go out 1 minute after, let's change this to say 30 minutes. 30 minutes after they've engaged with our bot, we're going to send them this. This is actually a follow-up to a demo, so maybe 30 minutes after they went through the demo. So on the demo you can set an attribute for demo, and then you can choose the demo audience. So that's kind of how you would segment this. Then you just add a new message, and now this is going to go 1 minute after whenever this went, and you don't want that, so we're going to change this. We're going to change this to 1 hour, and then we can hit change here, and again change this to whatever you want. For example, drip tips, I could say tip 1. But one thing you want to be aware of is you can't have multiple audiences within the same drip. So in this example, I'm just showing you that you can add multiple messages, but you would want, this drip tips would be a different audience. It'd be whatever tip audience, and then you'd create another drip with the drip audience in there for this one. So let's say we've got these two drips, we're ready to go. We hit save. And there's our drip. It's ready to go. It is in draft mode. So if I go to edit, I can come back in here if I wanted to make a change. I made a mistake. I want to change this. I can do that, and then save it again, and then go back to edit and hit start. All right, so now this drip is started. It's ready to go. It's going to the test audience. Anyone that goes through there within a minute, that first message is going to go out. So let's test this. So we're going to go back to our bot builder, to our dialogues, and we're going to go to free ticket. Get your free ticket. All right, so this is where we have an audience created. The test audience that we have created is based on this free ticket attribute. So when we test this and go through this attribute right here, this should trigger me into the audience and then send me the message. So I'm going to make sure when you're testing, you always want to make sure and go into your contacts and delete yourself. So it's like a new contact. All right, so I've deleted myself. I'm going back to the free ticket page. All right, so we're going to test this out. So we're going to test the dialogue. I'm going to go into Messenger. It should send us a message here. There it is. And it's saying raise your hand if you want a free ticket. As soon as I hit right here, it should add me into the audience. And then send me the message. So we're going to go back to MobileMonkey. We're going to go to audiences, and we're going to see if it added me. So there I am. I'm now added to the audience, the test audience. Now if we go to lead marketing automation and drip campaigns, we're going to see that this is the drip campaign, and in 1 minute it should send me the follow-up. All right, so it's been a minute. We're going to go back here and we're going to see, as you can see, it says thanks so much for checking out our demo. How would you like a chatbot for your business? So this is the follow-up that we set up. So we're going to go back here. All right, so went back here and it shows that it was read, 25%. You can see one read, gives you the percentage there. So that's pretty cool. So you're able to see what your open rates are. You're able to test different drip campaigns. You're able to segment your drip campaigns. And that's drip campaigns. If you have any questions, you can leave us a message in our group, or you can send an email to support@mobilemonkey.com. Thanks.